Hey everybody, what I'm going to be showing you right now is how to open Dell Dimension 4600. So, you can probably see that's a Dell Dimension 4600. Typical case from back then. Alright, basically, you don't have to unscrew anything. All you have to do is, see this little knob here? Hopefully you got that. You just take it, slide it back. See the little groove? See it separate? And voila! Now, if you check out my next video, you'll see me upgrade the RAM. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully that helps you out.